the best service-based business ideas for 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to start a business in 2025 but don't want to deal with physical products, service-based businesses are where it's at. They offer flexibility, low overhead, and huge demand. In this video, I'm breaking down the best service-based business ideas for 2025 in short, powerful points. Let's dive right in. 1. AI consulting and automation services. With AI tools exploding in every industry, businesses are looking for experts to help them automate workflows, improve customer service, and stay competitive. If you understand AI platforms, this is a goldmine. 2. Remote IT support and cybersecurity services. As more companies go remote, the need for reliable IT support and strong cybersecurity is skyrocketing. If you've got tech skills, this is a high-demand area with great growth potential. 3. Digital marketing services. From content creation to SEO and paid ads, businesses are constantly looking for help to grow online. If you're creative and know how to get attention, this field offers endless opportunities. 4. Online coaching and consulting. Whether it's business, fitness, finance, or personal development, people are investing in coaches who can guide them to results. Package your expertise and build a brand around it. 5. Virtual assistant services. Busy entrepreneurs and small teams need help with admin tasks, scheduling, and organization. If you're detail-oriented and efficient, this is a low-cost way to start a profitable business. 6. Sustainable home services. Think energy audits, green cleaning, or smart home consulting. As people become more eco-conscious, services that promote sustainability will only grow in demand. 7. Freelance writing and content strategy. Quality content is still king. Brands need blogs, newsletters, sales copy, and social media content. If you're a strong communicator, this is a business you can start with just a laptop. 8. Online education and course creation. People are hungry to learn new skills. If you can create high-value online courses or manage e-learning platforms for others, you're tapping into a multi-billion-dollar industry. 9. Event planning and virtual event management. Even in a digital world, events matter. From corporate webinars to hybrid conferences, businesses need planners who can execute both in-person and virtual experiences. 10. Health and wellness services. Mental health coaching, virtual fitness training, nutritional consulting. These are all growing fast. If you're in the wellness space, now's the time to build your service business. And that's a wrap on the best service-based business ideas for 2025. These are perfect for solopreneurs, freelancers, and anyone looking to build a flexible, high-impact business. If one of these ideas stood out to you, drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more business ideas and tips coming your way. Thanks for watching.